Glide down the mountain, snow underfoot, and head back for a little après ski. Let the good times roll. Apply luster highlight powder to the brow and bone using brush 630. Using brush 610, apply Garnet Cheek Color to the inner corner of the eye. Apply Semisweet Eye Color to the entire lid and to the bottom lash line using brush 300. Wet the brush for added intensity. Layer Garnet over Semisweet on the lower lash line and bring the color out slightly at the outer corner of the eye. Add Garnet to the cheeks with brush 700. Finish the look by applying Charm lipstick. Mud's fall-winter look. Après ski.